So we're doing some snow removal here on the front porch of Zehr Estate. And the reason is I don't like how the snow blew in here and is sitting there. I removed a bunch of it out of these areas and off the top because it was sitting there like this. And you can see on the porch, this whole side here along the edge pretty much had a bunch of snow, and I don't really want it sitting there. The longer it sits there, the more time it has to soak in any little cracks. So I'm pulling off what I can. Then I'm going to go around the outside because I don't like how it's against the artwork down there. So I'm going to just dig away from that. Then I'm going to go up on the roof. So we'll do a video up there, but you can see how it on the edge there. So I really don't want that on there. The least amount of time it's on there, the better. Yes, it's painted good, but it's just asking for trouble. So it's not too hard to remove right now. It's a warm day. It's melting. So it's a good time to get it off. Let's get back at it.